Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about this secret app. So please keep the secret. With this app, you're going to make a lot of money just answering word puzzles. So let's get into it right about now. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 every hour answering word puzzles at home. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app called WordBreeze Get Bitcoin. So they have some screenshots. I'm going to go ahead and look at some of the screenshots, and then we're going to learn a little bit more about this app. So it says here, it's a breeze, and as you can see, what you're going to be doing is just doing simple word puzzles like this. And then you're going to earn bling points. So every puzzle that you complete, you're going to earn bling points. As you can see here, they're going to have levels that you're going to have to complete. And then you'll be able to redeem Bitcoin rewards. So once you get a certain amount of bling points, you'll be able to get Bitcoin rewards. And as you can see here, you can go to Coinbase to cash out this Bitcoin. So if you don't have Coinbase, you just go to coinbase.com, sign up. Doesn't take that long to sign up, guys. Now, let me just scroll down here and read a little bit more about this app. So it says, have fun playing WordBreeze and cash out real Bitcoin. Not only is this word puzzle game fun to play, you will get rewarded with bling points that can be exchanged for Bitcoin. The amount you receive will be very small, but the more you play, the more you earn. So guys, it said it might be kind of small, but if you like playing word puzzle games, you like playing it a lot, then you can just go ahead and keep playing these games and get that money, guys, because you're going to have fun playing. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.7. Excellent app, guys. Excellent. Anything that's even remotely close to 5 stars is a very good app. It's not that many apps out there that's over 4 stars or even 4.7. Now let's just read one review here. So this person named Carrie says, legit with a great payout. Unlike many other games which have intrusive ads, you only have to watch one ad in between games. As someone who has played many real games, I can say with confidence that Bling Games is the only studio that delivers. So this person is very, very happy with this app. You only have to look at one ad and you play the game and you get paid, guys. So I'm not going to say anything else about this app. It's really self-explanatory, real easy to play and real easy to earn. So again, if you don't have Coinbase, you go over to Coinbase.com, sign up. So when you get this Bitcoin, you'll be able to go over there and cash that Bitcoin in and get cash. So to download this app, go to Google Play and look up WordBreeze Get Bitcoin. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you, really appreciate it. One last thing I want to do, I like to do shout outs. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you, really appreciate your support. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep hitting that like button if you're hitting the like button. And please keep sharing the videos if you share them. Help this channel to grow. Alright guys, one other thing I want to mention before I end this video. There's a button under this video and it says thanks. Now when you click that button, it's going to ask for a donation. Now guys, if you can give $2, $4, or $6, that's fine. That's going to help this channel, guys. I'm trying to make this channel better, and if you guys can help with a donation, this channel will grow even more. So if you want to donate, that's fine. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, that's it. Before I leave, remember to get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.